Do you feel like you're constantly making financial decisions, fighting your budget, or just reacting to money problems? What if you could build a system that runs itself, making smart money moves for you, freeing up your mental energy, and finally putting you in control? That's exactly what we're going to talk about today: how to design your very own financial operating system, or financial OS. Imagine your financial life running as smoothly and efficiently as your favorite tech device. No constant manual inputs, no endless mental calculations, just a well-oiled machine working silently in the background, propelling you towards your goals. That's the power of a financial OS. It's not about complex software, it's a personalized framework of interconnected rules, defaults, and automations tailored to your life and your aspirations. This system minimizes decision fatigue, prevents impulsive mistakes, and makes reaching financial freedom feel almost automatic. We're moving beyond mere budgeting and into system design. It's about building a robust structure that supports your financial well-being, freeing up your mental bandwidth for other important things in life. Let's dive into the core components. The very first, and arguably most crucial, component of your financial OS is automation. This is your engine, the heart that keeps everything running. Most people receive their paycheck, then manually decide what to do with the money, often after they've already spent a significant portion. We're flipping that script entirely. Your financial OS should immediately distribute your funds according to your priorities, before you even see it. Think of it as paying yourself first, but supercharged. As soon as your paycheck hits your bank account, set up automatic transfers for everything important: your savings goals, your investment contributions, your debt payments, and even your dedicated fun money accounts. For instance, if you get paid bi-weekly, set up transfers to your emergency fund, your retirement account, and your vacation savings the day after each payday. Many employers even offer direct deposit splits, allowing you to send portions of your check to different accounts immediately. This removes the willpower equation. You're not relying on discipline every 2 weeks. You're relying on a system you built once. It ensures your financial goals are consistently funded without you ever having to remember or decide to save or invest. This singular step can dramatically accelerate your progress towards financial independence and reduce a huge amount of financial stress. Next, let's talk about setting your financial defaults. Just like your phone has default settings for notifications, privacy, or screen time, your money needs them too. These are the pre-programmed choices that guide your spending and saving without requiring active thought or constant reevaluation. They become your automatic yes or no in common situations. For example, what's your default response to a large, non-essential purchase? Is it to wait 24 hours, 48 hours, or even a full week before buying? This default cooling-off period can save you from countless impulse buys. What's your default for eating out? Perhaps it's a specific budget amount, or a rule like only once a week, and always from the entertainment budget. You could set a default no-spend day once a week, or a pack your lunch default for workdays. Another powerful default: any unexpected income, like a bonus, tax refund, or even a small side hustle payout, is automatically split. Maybe 50% goes to investments, 25% to debt reduction, and 25% to a specific savings goal. These defaults reduce the mental energy spent on everyday money decisions. They create guardrails, ensuring you stay on track with your values and goals, even when distractions arise. By defining these defaults up front, you're essentially programming your financial brain to make smart choices automatically. Third, and equally important, is building in decision triggers. Life isn't always predictable, and your financial OS needs to handle curveballs gracefully. A decision trigger is a predetermined response to a common or significant financial event. It's like an if-then statement in programming. If this happens, then I do that. For instance, what's your plan if your car breaks down unexpectedly? Your trigger should be, if car repair is over X dollars, then I pull from the emergency fund. This prevents you from dipping into your investment accounts or worse, using high-interest credit cards. What if you get a raise or a significant promotion? Your trigger could be, if I get a raise, then 50% of the net increase goes to investments, 30% to accelerated debt repayment, and 20% can be used for a controlled lifestyle upgrade. This prevents lifestyle creep from eating away at your increased income. Another trigger might be for large purchases like a new appliance or vacation. If I want to buy an item over $500, then I will save up for it in a dedicated sinking fund for 3 months before purchasing. These triggers act like mini programs within your OS, guiding your actions when faced with specific financial situations. They prevent impulsive choices, reduce stress during unexpected events, and ensure you stick to your long-term plan even when emotions run high or opportunities arise. They bring clarity and control to moments that often lead to poor financial decisions. Finally, your financial OS isn't a set-it-and-forget-it system forever. Just like any operating system, it needs regular maintenance and upgrades to stay efficient, secure, and relevant. Schedule a monthly or quarterly money date with yourself or your partner if you share finances. This is where you review your accounts, check your progress towards goals, and make any necessary adjustments. Did your income change? Did a new goal emerge, like saving for a house down payment or a new certification? Are your defaults still serving you effectively? Maybe you need to increase your automated savings percentages because you got a raise, or rebalance your investment portfolio. Perhaps a certain spending default isn't working for your lifestyle, and you need to tweak it. This isn't about daily micromanagement. It's about a periodic, intentional check-in to ensure your system is optimized and still aligned with your evolving life and financial aspirations. Treat it like an annual software update, crucial for smooth, efficient operation and to prevent your system from becoming outdated or less effective. This proactive review keeps your OS robust and ready for whatever life throws your way. Building your financial OS takes a little upfront effort, yes, but the payoff is immense. Less financial stress, more control, and the profound peace of mind knowing your money is working for you, automatically. You're no longer reacting to your finances. You're proactively designing your financial future, creating a life where smart money moves are simply the default. So, I challenge you. What's one automation, one default, or one decision trigger you can set up today? Start small, build momentum, and watch your financial life transform. If you found this video helpful in envisioning a more automated, less stressful financial future, please give it a like. Subscribe for more practical, actionable money advice and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.